Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video we are going to learn how to calculate the factorial of a number using a loop. For example, if I want to calculate the factorial of 5, it will be 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, so this is how the factorial is calculated. Now I want to do it using a Python program. The factorial of 5 needs to be calculated, and the fact is my variable as a starting point. So for each I as the iterating variable in the range 1 and n plus 1, which is 1 and 6, and the ending point is 6, which is not included in the range, so it is going to start from 1 and continues as long as it reaches to 5, and 5 is included but 6 is not included. So this is why the ending point is not included. We are going to say n plus 1, and in each iteration we are basically calculating the fact multiplied by fact equals to fact multiplied by I. So here is the formula that we are going to calculate, and then we are going to print it in the output. The factorial of number 5 is 120.